Hi everyone, Zachary Jarid here, National Artist for the Goldwell US team. I'm in my salon in Brooklyn, New York with my beautiful model, Lauren. Now on Lauren today, we're gonna be doing the service Zerolights. Zerolights is a detailed foil placement using Silklift Zero Ammonia, then applying an all-over color using Topchic Zero, which is our Zero Ammonia permanent color line for a more sustainable service. Let's get started. For our service today, we'll be using our detailed foil placement with our Silklift Zero Ammonia, creating detailed points throughout her hair. Then we will go with our Topchic Zero, applying our base shade first, then using our color balancing with the Topchic Zero CLEAR to preserve the lightness that she already has on her longest lengths. This is the final look of Zerolights on my model Lauren. As you can see, we've created a multifaceted dimension using our Silklift Zero Ammonia. Then we did an all-over single process application using Topchic Zero. For more videos like this, tune in to the Goldwell Education Plus YouTube channel. See you next time.